Okay, so here I am on EasyOS. I installed it like a complete pleb. There is a way of doing it where you apparently can install directly from a running live session on a USB stick, and it's a case of creating partitions, copying 3 files across to the ext4 folder, and then running the Limine bootloader installer. EasyDD is pretty good, but if you're DDing something, you need to have the IMG file, and if you're running from an install to a USB stick, you haven't got the IMG file on there. So what I had to do was run it from a USB stick, download the IMG file to the live session, and then install, rather DD from that, and that sets up all your partitions for you, including your VFAT, etc., where your bootloader sits. So I got it installed the long way round. JWM does some great videos about how to do the install that I've described previous to this, about copying the files across and getting things sorted that way. But here it is, it's all installed. As with most puppies, it's got loads of stuff with it. I've only installed the OBS Studio. It had a shortcut here with this icon as well, which basically means it's not actually installed, but you click it and it will install it for you. It'll also search out the dependencies. You can check out the dependencies before you do the install. Just make sure that they're all available from the repos, and in OBS's case they are. So I've got it installed, and I've changed the icon set, and I've changed the background to my own one. Here I go. I keep going here. Right. So yeah, I put it there. Now, if you want to use your own one, you have to go to User, Share, Backgrounds, and paste it there. As you see, this one's called startcard.jpg. Excuse me. And that's the one we've got. The one that it came with originally is this one. Or is it? Yeah, it's that one. But you get dark grey, which is just plain. Yeah, there it is, the default. You've got in-flight, which is a nice seagull. Light grey, which is just light grey. Lighthouse, which is a lighthouse with a ship in the background. Light purple, which looks blue to me, quite honestly. Medium light blue-green, which is that one. You get the original Old Faithful puppy wallpaper with the cutest dog you ever did see, with its big puppy dog eyes. But anyway, so I've put mine there because mine has been resized to my desktop size on this really crappy little laptop, which is a Hewlett-Packard bottom of the light ladder kind of laptop. But it's fine, this runs on this really nicely. As for the icon set, here we go, desktop icon switcher. By default it comes with very light orange. Yeah, okay. Boom, and there, these are the original ones. But because I've got a dark desktop, you can't see the writing underneath, so I've got to figure out a way of changing the colour of those fonts. I'm sure Jim will be able to tell me because he's explored this. It does look better in the menu, doesn't it? He has explored this a lot more than me. Global font size. Change will only take place after restarting X. But you can't change the colour there. Okay, so there's the theme maker, which I might look into using, because at the moment we've got a few themes. So this is for the actual widget theme. So let's go Easy Blue. I guess that's okay. Emacs. Well, that's a better font, isn't it? Flat light orange brown, which is the one that it comes with. Peachy red, which is a little bit jarring. Rally, which is, honestly, yeah, it's smaller, but it's pretty much the same as Emacs. Easy Blue, default. Is that default? Let's apply that, see how that looks in here. Well, it's dropped the font size down, but we've still got in the menu bar the larger fonts. No, I'm going to go Easy Blue. Apply that. Okay, that. Alright. So that's the cute theme. I think it's Easy JWM. Yeah, so these are the themes that you get with it. Like I've chosen Easy Blue. It comes with light orange brown, black deep. It's nice, but I don't know, the menu was looking pretty bad to me. I really want to change these font sizes, so let's see if we can do anything with this. Menu manager is just an item editor. Window, blah 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 blah. Theme, focus, snap, move, resize. None of those. Tray, attributes, blah blah blah. Where do you want your tray? Horizontal, bottom, left to right, center. Short dimension. Okay, padding, virtual desktops. No, it's not there. Launch, well, as you see, we've only got the show desktop, which is down here, and options. Easy JWM size. What's this do? Opening width of EDF of Easy JWM window. So that's this. So there's not really anything to say there. What have we got here? Item, manage apps in the system menu. No, again, you can't change the fonts there. So there's a theme creator and a way to get to JWM keyboard shortcuts. So I guess it's not in there. Okay. Desktop icons switcher. Desktop drive icons manager. Theme maker. Move icons tray or desktop. Simplex. No, we've had a look at that, haven't we? Font viewer. 2 font viewers. Is it system? No, it doesn't really seem to say much there. But here's one thing that is really amazing about any of your pups, really. Look at this. I'm doing a screencast and it's 422 meg. You tell me any Linux system that runs in that kind of RAM, and I'll be impressed. Now, Jim, you've got these down as like a list. Couldn't find a way of doing that other than show extra details. And I guess that could be it. But, again, not the font size. change icon size. Automatic size mode. That's a bit better. Okay. Let's close that for the minute. Graphic. So here we go, diagram editor. Now that has got this orange dot, which means it's not there. GIMP is there. Inkscape is there. The LibreOffice suite is there. It's pretty cool. GPIC view, PopCam digital camera access, PZ scan, simple image scanner, Xane, PZ print, graphic photo printing, blah 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 blah, PZ glue, PZ scale, JPEG resizer, screen capture, Windows and full screen, MT paint, snapshot, screen capture, etc. Blue Griffin WYSIWYG HTML editor. Who codes HTML these days? Scribus desktop publishing, again, that needs installing. But we've got Genie, we've got LeafPad, we've got MP console editor, Events PDF viewer, GX language translator, useful. PDICT online dictionary, easy PDF convert, join extract. Under business, LibreOffice base, database, oh yeah. Calc, home bank finance management. Symphytum simple database. Personal, Osmo personal organizer, Secret, Notecase notes manager, P-Clock time tools, your network stuff. Made it easy enough for me to set up my Wi-Fi, internet, blah 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 blah, Chrome, inner container. Now that's the thing with EasyOS, it runs things, most software, in their own containers, so they don't have access to your home folder per se. YouTube DL. Last I heard that wasn't really working. There's YT-DLP that does work if you're frustrated with YouTube DL not working now in England. We've got an advert blocker here. Now I wonder if that will work on YouTube, because YouTube's getting really antsy and really nasty about using ad blockers on YouTube. It's getting crazy. Flashes up this box and says, "Oi, we don't allow ad blockers. Sign up for, what is it, YouTube Premium or something, and pay them to hide the adverts." Sorry, but fuck off. But basically it gives you horrible nag screens if you're running an ad blocker. So I've just decided, bite the bullet, let's watch YouTube the way that every bugger else in the world, everyone on Android, everyone on all these other things has to watch YouTube, and that's with bloody adverts all over it. It's a sacrifice that has to be made, because try as you might, there is nowhere else. There is nowhere else. I've been considering other places. I've set up a Dailymotion video hosting account, and all that does is host the videos. Casual viewers can't view them. You have to go the extra mile and allow advertising on your videos if you want them to be publicly viewable. What you can do is you can share them to something like a blog, and people can view them on your blog. I believe that's what they're for, and you just put them on, like, link them onto your own web page. Who has a web page now? But if you have, you can link to them there apparently. I don't know, that's pretty old school. Yeah, but what I'll show you is I'm currently running OBS Studio, which I installed. Now, if you go to apps, you can see the OBS folder is my app, nothing there. Go up and go to home, and that will give you a list of your container programs. And there's my OBS, and there's this video that I'm recording right now. So Each app that you install that isn't one of the system apps goes in its own little container, and anything you record or save goes in that folder and doesn't touch the rest of the system. So that's kind of a good thing. What's this? It's my CPU having a stress out. It's not a great CPU. It's it's pretty damn poor. But yeah, where do I change these fonts? Where do I change these fonts? It's got to be in desktop, right? Or system? I don't know where. Let's have a look in the PubSys info so you can see what we've got. Please select a menu item. Let's go to system specs. Quick profile. And then you can see what a prehistoric thing I'm running this on. Okay. It's the HP laptop 14-BS0XX. It's using an Intel Celeron CPU N3060 1.6 GHz, 2 cores. I've got 4 gigs of RAM. These are my screen resolution 1366768. Running under Xorg. It's an Intel graphics chip. The audio is Intel network, blah 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 blah. Drives. I've got a 250 gig SSD in here. Lighton IT LCS 256. Using ZRAM. So it's EasyOS Kirkstone 64555, which is the most recent one. And using JWM and XWin and JWM. Kernel 515, quite an old one, but that's an LTS, I believe. Build date October the 12th. PAE enabled. I can't believe they even look at that. So it's UEFI boot. Okay, and I'm running it as root, as you do. What else to say? Oh my god, look, yeah, it's Europe, London time zone. But look, it's saying it's 8:10 and it's actually 9:10. So I've set that up wrong. What have we got here? Ha! Well, easy setup. Right, let's have a look at this, changing the font size. That one. Is it going to do anything? Oh, yeah, so if again, it doesn't change the colour though, does it? So let's go to 96. Is that going to make it a bit less crowded on the screen? Okay, that. Have I got to restart X? Yeah, change value take effect after restarting X. Well, I'll restart X and see if that buggers up the video. It probably will. So what I'll do is actually I'll stop the video and start it again afterwards, and we'll see what we've got. Okay, that, right. 1 second. And we're back. The lettering size here is beautiful. Nice. So let's minimize this down. Let's get a folder open. I don't know, does that look any different to you? I'm not sure, quite honestly, but these have stayed the same. Can we right click here? Cannot right click here. So let's have a look at these settings again, see if it gives us something for the panel. EasyOS. No. How do I? No, don't need that. System, no, don't need that. Again, configure JWM. So that brings up Easy JWM again. How do I change the menu? I'm sure it's just a script file. Theme creator? Tray. Maybe it's tray. Will it be changed if I change the short dimension? Let's try. Have we got to pop over at all? Okay, let's drop it. No, default value is 28, but it's currently on 32. So let's go to 28 and apply that. Well, it's made the panel smaller, but it hasn't really done much with the text. There's nothing really else. Options, desk interface, easy JWM, so again that's this. Accessory tray, launch bar, preset buttons, no. Desk interface, select JWM or Rock's desktop. I don't want Rock's desktop. Let's have a look at this. Window taskbar menu. Theme switch. Again, font size 12. Let's go down to 10 and theme switch. We're not running this one, are we? So let's call it Nope theme. Save the theme. Whoa, there's our letters different. Okay, so active text, it looks hideous. Background has changed that to, oh heck, I don't know, have we got a colour picker? Right, let's go like that, but in a kind of bluey kind. Okay, that. Save theme. Yes. Alright, so we've got a blue menu bar. Fantastic. Inactive, so I guess that's these. Let's change the active and inactive text. Inactive text, let's go white. Actually, let's go very pale blue. Okay, that. Active text. Let's go, I don't know. Okay, that. Inactive from to. So that's these. So let's find out what that is. What is it? 27069. Let's OK that. Okay, not bad, not bad, not bad. That's a little bit better. So what do we got here? That's the Windows switcher, isn't it? Is it? Yeah, the desktop switcher. Okay. Border. Well, this is going to be the JWM, isn't it? So, let's change that border color to 27069. Right, so it's not done anything to this. I guess it'll all be in the windows, won't it? Well, I've got readable text, but not there, have I? So, yeah, that's pretty cool. So this is changing. Yeah, I don't like that highlight. Highlight. So let's yeah. Save that, yeah. Boom, boom, boom. Oh, we keep doing that, don't we? Okay, right, we can quit that. What have we got for window? Right. Snap, move, resize, theme. Borders and buttons. Okay. Is that going to open anything? It ain't opened anything. What's that? Select JWM theme for window title bar. Come on then. Okay. Right. Button theme. Yeah. Button order, button position, text position, font name, font size, font style. Disable menu icon, enable scroll shade. Yeah, let's have that. Apply that. And we should. Font's changed to a smaller size. So where's the scroll shade? So we'll look in the files. Close that, open a new one. Where's the scroll shade? No. Where's that then? Oh, we can shade it that way. Okay. Unshade. Send to stick, maximize, shade, minimize, move, resize, kill, close. Where do I change the color? Have I got to restart X? Let's restart X again and see what we get. Theme, motif style. Or uncheck for default flat theme. I don't want a default flat theme. Let's have a look. Borders, nothing. Where's my nope theme? Alright, I'm going to quit that. I'm going to stop this video just quickly. Restart X again. Oh, by the way, you do that here and it doesn't shut your computer down. So you can go to rectify, restart X server. Maybe if I restart JWM as well, I'll give them both a go. And see if we get rid of this. We should have. So I'm going to stop this for a sec and see what happens. Well, as you can see, it hasn't really done anything. I need to I want to change that from the orange. I've got everything else pretty much how I like it. All I've got to do is basically give it a... Oh, let's stop doing that. JWM theme maker. I'm sure that's what I was just in. Cute theme. JWM. No. So I've changed the font size. I've changed the colour of the bar and the menu, but I don't seem to be able to do anything to the window. Let's try that again. Window. Enable geometry. Maybe that has to be enabled. That's not launching anything. Maybe that's why I can't do anything. Let's disable that again. Quit this, options. No launch, no tray. Tray's fine. We changed the short dimension, that gave us the shorter bar. I've changed the font size. Right, let's quit that. See if there's anything else in here. What's this? Oh, that's Genie. Okay. These are the package things. What's that? Browser? Can't remember. Yeah. Alright, let's see what we've got in here. Yeah, again, see, so configure JWM window manager. Window manager themes. Let's try that. Again, it just gives us these options. And we're back to that, so no. Let's quit that. These, so that's where I did the font size, the icon themes. Again, we've just got these again. Mouse cursor, move icons in trail, desktop, GTK themes, JWM themes, window manager themes. My God. Yeah, and we're back here. Yeah. This stuff. And again, motif style. Enable motif style window handles or uncheck for default flat theme. So if I uncheck it and apply, there's nothing changing there. Ah, well, that's given everything an outline, which I don't really want, so let's not have motif style. Borders and buttons. Select the JWM theme for the window borders. Not launching anything, so I don't know how to change that. That's probably in like an XML file or something like that, but I've managed to sort everything else out. Let's get a lighter window again. Let's go just light grey. No, let's go light purple. Apply that. At least now we can see what all these things are. Just wish I could get rid of that orange. Unless, wait. Would it be the GTK themes? No, that's the widgets. JWM is a complete mystery to me. But you see, look, we were using Joe Wing. So why have we got why have we got that orange? This we've seen before. Let's quit that. So I do not know. Really don't know. This doesn't appear to be. This seems to be the thing that I need, but it doesn't run. Select JWM theme for Windows borders. See if there's anything else. Just quickly. Easy setup front end. Well, that is just that anyway. App image installer. That's pretty cool. Check dependencies, install package, default applications, choose a Flatpak installer, blah blah blah. Blah blah blah, Xorg, EasyOS. No, that's not the one, is it? Just system. Desktop again, it's here, isn't it? Don't look like what I need is there. So I don't know. I mean, I guess it's kind of okay-ish. Still not a major fan, quite honestly. I mean, I'm fine with the old copying and pasting and things like that. So if I go to home on this one, personal, no. Database, documents, no. So if I go to media, this is where I've put a load of audio files in here, folders, you know, with musics. And yeah, everything plays, everything works. It's just I can't get it to look as pretty as I want it to look. And this is a thing that I've always had with like Puppy. I think I'm kind of probably a little bit maybe getting towards being okay using Rock's Filer. But it's really bugging me that I can't seem to change the colour of the window decorations. Anyway, that's enough of that. I'm going to call this video quits for the minute. Not sure if I'm going to keep this on. It runs bloody lovely, to be honest, but no. It's a bit of a nope. Sorry. But it is. Nice to have a look at though. It's been a long time. Puppy was one of the first Linuxes I ever tried, and that was a long time ago now. And no offence to Mr. Barry Cowler, Not sure how you say your name even, but I don't think this is the one for me. Right, thanks for watching. Catch you in the next video, whenever that'll be. Hopefully it won't be 2 weeks this time. See you later.